Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to add countdown timer to Shopify, and it will be an updated video. So in this video I will discuss about step by step process. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to be create an Shopify store. Once your creation is completed, then you need to be visit on this dashboard panel where you need to options like this, like add apps or other options like apps. So here you need to be search essential, or you can do it by clicking on add apps. After clicking this one, you will have option for Shopify app store. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then it will open a new tab here. Just here search for countdown and just click on hit the button, and it will redirect you to this place. Here you will find out bunch of options for countdown apps. Here you will find out your desired one. So I'm going to click on this countdown timer bar essential. Just click over here, and so now you need to be click on install. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to the next page where it will take a while to loading, and then the interface will become to you like this way. And here you need to be click on install. Once you click over here, then it will take a while again to complete the procedure in here. So here you can see our timer has been completed. Here now we are allowed to create a new timer over our website. Just click over here, create new timer, then you can choose from product page, landing page, whatever you want, you are allowed to do it. So I'm going to make a timer on this one, and it looks really nice. You can see now you are allowed to change all the thing you want, like the button, the name, the title, the subheading, the link, whatever you want, you are allowed to do it. Just click over here, publish. Once you click over here, publish, preview countdown is stored. So now you can do, or you can check it in your website. So it will take a while to reload in here. Once your setup is complete, you will able to see it in the top bottom. So you need to be wait to watch this one. So let's go over here and see. Yes, it's really looking mesmerizing. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found out this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.